Súlan spinnen, súlan shichen, a shul a true, our master moth. Behold the oncoming spirits and creatures of the other world, never before seen by human eye, in Paisley tonight as they ride high. Beware, Halloween is nigh.
And so how was the parade for you 2015?
Awesome! It was incredible. So fun.
What sort of reaction did you get from the audience?
A really good one.
Yeah?
I love that people pretended to be scared.
And would you guys like to come back next year?
Yes!
Any ideas or suggestions for next year?
This year was so fantastic, I can't think of anything. Yeah.
Awesome. What was it like working with Gaelic?
I loved it. I loved
really easy, like
languages.
much better than I expected. It's like easier to learn than I thought.
And Dátheangach, thank you so much. Have an amazing year and hopefully we might see you during the year perhaps and this time next year. Judy, thank you.
Nor at all, my wrong guy, Guiag, is a Gaeilge, my code. Token shake a law when of the must be road. She chunk a culture on the Heronid, immigrant stop. She in Agus ish in hip hop. Cut a brother Sus, Agus Sus of the young guy. Touch up your boss, never but a wrong guy. It's a non D, Agus eatness in my head. No time, we'll get in the front of my bed. Touch a shot, dollar market in my car, the get Killa, so say Gela. Quarter of Sus, Agus about a shot. Nimmer can't stop, nimmer can't stop.
Scalp the skill, it's purely good.
He call the rain, sunshine is you. No curse, I should not realize. I do a lot in my.
Scalp the skill, it's purely good.
He call the rain, sunshine is you. No curse, I should not realize. I do a lot in my. Gaeilge in the skull, Mark, Leagan in the soul.
And Fráide, what was the parade for you like this year in 2015?
It was absolutely beautiful, really good.
So amazing, so much fun. Really loved it.
What was it like returning for a second year? Why did you guys want to come back?
We did the parade the first time, and after we were told that it was going to get hyped up, we just thought it was going to be bigger and better than the first time, so we need to go to it. And it didn't disappoint, honest to God. It was so good.
It's like, honestly, we couldn't miss it, and especially seeing as it got so much bigger this year, and it's just got, it's only going to get better, right?
Working with it last year, we realised we had so much fun, so getting the opportunity this year, we had to take it.
Awesome. Guys, what was it like working with Gaelic again this year?
I felt it easy.
Yeah?
Easier learning it from the first time, because it's different.
It's good new.
Sconial. Stephen?
It felt really interesting to just get through another language, especially something like Gaelic.
Awesome, guys. Mila thang. Thank you so much.
No at all, my wrong guy, Guiag, is a Gaeilge, my code. Token shake a law when of the must be road. She chunk a culture on the Heronid, immigrant stop. She in Agus ish in hip hop. Cut a brother Sus, Agus Sus of the young guy. Touch up your boss, never but a wrong guy. It's a non D, Agus eatness in my head. No time, we'll get in the front of my bed. Touch a shot, dollar market in my car, the get Killa, so say Gela. Quarter of Sus, Agus about a shot. Nimmer can't stop, nimmer can't stop.
Scalp the skill, it's purely good.
He call the rain, sunshine is you. No curse, I should not realize. I do a lot in my.
Scalp the skill, it's purely good.
He call the rain, sunshine is you. No curse, I should not realize. I do a lot in my. Gaeilge in the skull, Mark, Leagan in the soul.
What do you think of Paisley after tonight?
It's so much cooler because like everybody's together.
Everyone's
it's awesome.
participating and it's brilliant.
It's like a proper thing now.
Awesome. Next year, would you like to come back next year?
Yes, because I could get bouncy still.
Rachel, this was your first year. Would you like to come back next year?
Definitely, it was loads of fun.
Cool. What was it like working with Gaelic for this time this year?
Cool, because we got to learn more complex Gaelic, which was well, slightly more complex, but because we were giants, it was very dumbed down. But still, it was cool.
It was really challenging, but it was lots of fun to learn like the Gaelic side of Paisley and all that. So it was really educational but fun at the same time. So
awesome. Mila Dátheangach, thank you so much. Have an amazing year, and I might see you in the meantime as well.
Yes.
Have a fabulous night.
Thank
Bye.
you.
No atá mé an Gaeilge is ag Gaeilge má cód tugann sé go láfuin am na mas beród sé tranga cultúr na hAlban ime constop sin Arna agus is sin hip-hop chud a bradach sús agus úsá na Dátheangach touch up your boss never but an ranga is an non-dí agus ínas in my head no atá an Gaeilge in an front of my bed tá sé seo ag dul a market in my car the geta Killick sa sé Gaeilge chud a lá sús agus a éis seo ní mé chun stop ní mé chun stop
Scalp the skill is purely blue.
He call the rain, sunshine is new. Focus, I should not realize I don't like it.
Scalp the skill is purely blue.
He call the rain, sunshine is new. Focus, I should not realize I don't like it. Gaeilge in the skull, Mark, Leagan is soul. Honey, please you get a black and lose of in the duel. I caught a gun and line a speaker gun and burn. Good and arse behind you, even Max in the coon. Every jewel take a kind of matter hack again rain. Every flack on the kind of my buns, Jay or bear. At the mahin is until like a mashing, sug, bria, let's go. Lovers of Usha, coal lovers. Ter vin can and bevin the amalish. Galagak la, galagak toy. Call